Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to turn on contacts on Facebook using the latest settings. Whether you're trying to sync your phone's contacts with your Facebook account or just want to reconnect with friends more easily, I'll walk you through each step in a simple, easy-to-follow way. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where you can manage all the apps installed on your device and control what permissions they have. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Apps, or sometimes it might say App Permissions, depending on your phone model and operating system. Next, look for Facebook in the list of installed apps. It might take a moment to find it if you have a lot of apps, but once you do, tap on it to open the detailed settings for the Facebook app. Now, you'll see several options related to Facebook's app behavior like storage, notifications, and permissions. Go ahead and tap on Permissions. Inside Permissions, you'll see a list of all the access types Facebook can use, such as camera, location, microphone, and the one we're focusing on, Contacts. Tap Contacts. Here, you'll usually have three choices. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or don't allow. To turn contacts on, choose Allow. This gives Facebook permission to read and sync your contacts, helping you find people you know more easily. Once you've done that, close the settings and reopen your Facebook app. You might receive a quick prompt asking if you'd like to upload your contacts. If you see that, just confirm, and Facebook will begin syncing them securely in the background. And that's it. You've successfully turned on contacts for your Facebook account. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and share it with anyone who might be stuck trying to do the same thing. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and updated tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.